Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Great 2-bedroom 2-bath second floor unit that has just been remodeled for you. Very clean and freshly painted, vaulted ceilings and split floor plan. And number 13, Coco Parc is a well-maintained community located in the heart of Coconut Creek. Close to schools and access to major highways is nearby. Lots of closet space. Full-size washer/dryer in the unit. Large balcony. Community amenities include clubhouse, pool, tennis, gym, volleyball, racquetball, picnic area and car wash area. Go see it today.